everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you recognize a symbol, you may or may not, it's Redragon, and that's the subject of this video, this short today, because I went to the thrift store and this is what I found. Another mechanical keyboard, this time with a nice little palm rest. I like that, you know, when you're typing away, you don't have to kind of like have a special palm rest. I like having palm rests, although it does oil up the logo a bit. So yeah, this is a decent keyboard, mechanical. As you can see, not too worn out or anything. All the keys work. It's got Otamu. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. They're sort of a Cherry MX knockoff, but they're a good quality switch in my experience. They're as good as Cherry switches, is my opinion. And a sound test. I switch around the space bar for my switch on my side of my thumb. Always feels better that way. Yeah, there you go, guys. That's my latest find. And the keycaps, as far as the keycaps are concerned, they're pretty good quality. They're hard, they're pretty thick, can't really bend or anything. They're like a double shot type arrangement. So yeah, they'll hold up. So there you go, guys. That's gonna be my keyboard for today from the thrift store. Redragon, I believe it's Andromeda, I think they're calling it. But anyway, it's just like a standard keyboard with a nice wrist rest, and of course I paired it up with a mouse that I picked up a while back. It's got some weights. These Redragon mice and keyboards, I found they're pretty solid for a no-namer kind of brand, other than, like, you know, it's not like a, you know, Razer or whatever, Corsair, all those like bigger names. These are, you can pick them up for 10 bucks, and you can pick up some of those for 10 bucks, but I find that these like hold up pretty good, and you know, they show up fairly regularly at my thrift store. So there you go, guys. That's the video for today. Talk to you later.